going on? I'm heading over to a buddy of mine's house. He just got a lead on a Model A Coupe, 29 Coupe, and rolling chassis. I think it's a running driving car, just yard driving type of car. Patch panels have been done. I guess it's already been sandblasted. Some spots primed. I'm not really sure. I don't know all the details, but it's a pretty good price. It's a local. It's literally like a few miles away from our houses. So, gonna head over there and take a look at it, see what it's all about. Talk to the guy. I guess he's got a few other people interested, but we're the closest and we can get there the earliest. So hopefully things are going to turn out to be pretty cool. I'm going to add it to the stable of Model A's, which seems to continuously be growing, which is a good thing in some people's eyes at least. That's it. I'll check in when I see what the car's all about, and hopefully we can make a deal with this guy. Talk to you. See ya. So this is the 29 Coupe I was telling you guys about. Really clean car, nice car. There's been some patch panels done, just a few of them though. Just down on the lower quarters, I think the wheel wells have been replaced. The story is, the older gentleman that owned the car has been in primer for the last 30 to 40 years. The previous owner that we just bought it off was told. So it had changed hands over a couple of older gentlemen's. Changed over a few ownerships of a few older gentlemen from what he was told over the years. I think they had owned it for a combined 35, 40 years. And between the two of them, they had each done a little bit of work, but it had never gotten to the point where obviously it was a finished car. Needs some body work here and there, but no rust. There's literally no rust on the car. Like I said, there's been a few lower patch panels, which you can see. Bottom of the door, bottom of the quarter. Fender well has been, the inner wheel well has been replaced. They're just been MIG welded in, so it's nothing pretty. So we're gonna grind it down, clean it up, maybe burn it in with a TIG. Powder coated chassis, which is pretty cool, unless we're gonna modify it. I think we'll probably Z it and maybe channel the body and get it down, sitting down a little lower. Really cold last night, so everything's covered in ice and frost. But it's a running driving car, radiator holds water. It's drained now because of the winter. The guy was smart enough to drain it. The motor's been completely all freshened up. It's got some banger speed parts on it, which is kind of cool. There's a local guy remaking the Burns speed parts for these things. He's got the heads, he's got everything. He's got a brand new Stromberg on it, all new linkage. It's a running driving car. So 4 brand new tires. Brakes have all been redone. Got a nice exhaust on it, which just, you know, the banger exhaust, but it is what it is. This thing is just sweet. It is mint. Like I said, there's been some work done to it. There's some new sheet metal in here. We got all the original floor wood. We got all the original interior wood. Everything's here. We got a complete roof kit for it, wood kit. Got a beautiful hood here. I got a back seat and bed of the truck's full of parts. Yeah, man, this thing is just killer. It is just an awesome little car. So my buddy was really excited to find it. This is something he's been looking for. I was just happy to be a part of it. So that's it. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna deliver it over to his house today. He was making some room in his garage, so I just kept it on the trailer for the night. And I'm gonna bring it to its new home. It'll probably end up back here at some point, getting some work done to it. So I seem to have a lot of the tools that he needs and we need to do it. So, you know, that's just what you do for your buddies. So hopefully it's gonna be running and driving and on its way to Trog this year in October. Pretty cool.